A video. Hello guys, today we're gonna do a nice banger of the video. So let's get started. I'm gonna get out of this thing. So no, don't mind this name. Sexy dip and cocaine. So we're gonna go on private server. Yeah. You. Huh? I will say, guys, my friend is getting that stuff. So the bangers in the video. So I'm been inviting my friends in my private server, and my friend is with me here. So, it's your boys. It's your boys Lelo here. The pro in rival. So let's start. Yeah. We just if this guy goes home now, and then he's gonna join me again. He's gonna go. You're gonna join. So I'm gonna go later. Now, no. We're gonna guys, we're gonna invite Uncle Cajun. Haha. That's not cool. His name is Jack. We just made him that name. We're just inviting two people. Huh? Okay guys, so we're gonna 1v1 him. Don't worry about that sign. We're gonna go on arena guys. As you can see, we're level 33 and he's on level 33. So we're going on arena guys. And we're gonna take sniper guys. I just like this loadout because it's amazing. Let's just wait guys. Sniper's the best guys. You guys, I'm the pro guys. I'm playing my friend's phone right now. I got him. That's a one. Me on sniper. As you guys can see, I got him already. Wait. Let me play this whole round now. And then after you play that, I'm not gonna headshot him. Because is your phone lagging? No. Guys, this man is gonna play for the whole round. So it's gonna be insane. Bro. I literally got bro. I shoot him plenty times already. He lagged, bro. The phone lagged. Your phone lagged. No, bro. It lags a little bit, but not a lot. What's Sims. Bro, this guy is literally funny. I am funny. I take it. What is this bro doing? Bro, I don't know what loadout did he pick. Wait.
got him.
I forgot my friend plays like
I told you I'm a pro.
my friend plays like that, guys. He doesn't have quite movement.
I don't have good movement, but
He plays
I'm good. This is my favorite loadout.
wow.
Because I won you with it.
Damn, bro got 5 almost. What the heck is bro doing? This
I got you. Come here.
Damn, bro, just stand still, bro.
Bro, I finished you, bro. For this round, I'm going to take assault rifle. Normal. Okay. I'm not just gonna take normal loadout, guys. Okay, I'm gonna. I just made him win, bro. I made him win. Bro is crying. Broski was crying. I made Broski win. Guys, I'm going to eat him with daggers now.
If this man goes home, we're gonna free can. Tomorrow we're gonna reveal our faces. So, guys,
Just enjoy, guys. Just enjoy. Stay tuned, guys. We love you so much. Just don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? Don't worry, I got this.
stand still.
Okay. The phone was lagging. Favorite loadout. Cajun knows it. Motive. I mean, it's not Cajun, guys. It's Uncle P. Jordan.
No, my name is not Cajun, guys.
Hi.
He called me Cajun. Yeah, my name starts with Cajun.
Browski just hit me. Okay, just time. Browski, you cooked, bro.
Guys, I was
You
just lying. Guys, I was just lying. My name's really Cajun. His name is Shlelo. So,
Actually, guys, I'm also lying. I'm not a pro. I'm not really a pro.
he's just
I am a pro.
Smack his ass.
Your ass is cooked. Bro, can you stop moving?
If it,
Bro, this guy's moving. Okay, knife.
Guys, if somebody
Browski, you literally told me that you have knife.
my turn.
Guys, I don't know how did I lose that.
Guys, it's my turn, so
Okay, just watch my man, the pro.
it's your call.
Guys, it's a 1, 2.
To be. Why must I be alone so long?
Go. Let us be alone. Let's go on arena.
Guys, I'm a green bean.
He's a green bean, guys. He's a green bean. Don't make fun, guys. Don't make fun. Wait. It's just arena.
Yeah. No, this is battleground. I can't play right with the sniper, bro. What if I play with the... I can't snipe right with the safari.
Me also, bro. With my phone, I can snipe. Yes.
Okay. I just do knife only, that guy is cool.
Broski, what are you doing?
Where is it now?
What the?
This skin.
Is the skin what you feel that?
Wow, this guy Coulson.
Coulson is amazing, guys. Guys, if we could make Zach
Just this guy.
bro, we have to tell our
Oh, he died also.
identity.
Look here
Because
now.
we're making a video.
Bruh, I'm Spider-Man, bruh. I just now showed my identity. Yeah. You see I'm lagging.
Bro, why are you lagging but I was not lagging, bro?
Because he was not running.
What the hell?
Bruh, why is he so ready? Nah, bruh, I have to lock in now with the sniper.
Bro, I don't care if you lose, you have to log in. Sniper's amazing.
Yeah. Where's this guy? Where's this guy? Amazing. I'm not good at this, man.
Bro, person only play once. What the hell? We only have 13 kills. Wait, bro, wait.
Wait. Go in the shop, Please. I didn't literally buy this summer day. I literally bought summer day. Wait, summer day. This is... You see, there's supposed to be summer day. So I'm gonna practice one. Wait. I'm gonna come here. Let's go. Ma. It's more, yeah, it's giving love. It's giving clockets. Yeah, but
Do you also play? You also sometimes sit on the.
You wanna shot on?
Oh,
Can
can I?
I'm laggy. Please don't tell me this.
Is it on or off?
Okay.
Let's leave now. They are playing. I think they're playing. Let's watch them. So guys,